Hey everyone, William Perry coming at you. In this video, what I'm going to show you is what I like to call following the rabbit trail. So here we go. What you do is you go to Amazon right here and you type in any category you want. I'm going to go with patio furniture. Click on patio furniture and I'm going to look for something expensive. Oh, like this one right here. This will work great. It's got a pretty good title. So I'm just going to copy the title. I'm going to go right over to eBay. I'm going to throw that title in there like so. And I'm going to click search. Now, from this point on, I don't pay attention to the prices. I don't pay attention to if they're making money on it or not. I don't care. So I'm going to click right here on the top one. And then what I do is I go right over here to see other items on the right hand side. And then what I do is I come down here on the left and I click sold items. What I'm doing is going into what they've sold. It tells you when they sold it, how much they sold it for. So I'm going to look for something that and I don't do electronics, so I stay away from them. Let's see if we can find this. So when you bring up the picture, it says it's ended. That means he's not selling it anymore. So that'll bring up the actual listing. And with this title, it's pretty technical, so we can use that. Let's just use that whole title right out to there. Search Google. Come right over here. And let's see what that number was. 345S6. It's right there, I think. 100 feet. Yellow. Yep, there it is, right there. So it is $28.99 on Amazon Prime. So I'm going to come right back over here to eBay. Okay. And it says he's selling it for $50.50 and he sold 3 of them. So I'm going to go to the calculator at salekelp.com. I'm going to go right up here and I can put in all categories, fixed price standard, 30-day duration, PayPal 2.9% plus 30-cent listing fee. Buy it cost to acquire is $28.99 and the buy it now price was $50.50. So he is making $14.40 when he sells that item. So then what I do is I go right over here and like I showed you before, you either save your picture from here or you can go back to Amazon and save the pictures from there. It's usually good to try and put in 3 pictures if you have them. If not, just put in what's available. Go through the websizer like I showed you, and that is called following the rabbit hole. So then what you'll do is after you do that, you either hit the back button and go back to him again, or you can save the name, go right up here, click in advanced search, go right over here to buy seller, put his name in that box and click search, and it'll bring him back up again. Go down to his sold listings and you can go through all of his listings. Again, I don't recommend you go back any farther than 2-3 weeks, and you can just spiderweb all of his spiderweb them, follow them, do whatever you want, and you can undercut his listings. Put a little bit lower price on it. I recommend if you can cut it by $1, 50 cents. And there you go. You got good listings to put up, and with the title Let's see if I can go back here. Keep going back. Come down to the title. What I would do, which I highly suggest, is you get a title builder. There's a bunch of them out there for free or very inexpensive. And I would put this into the title builder, and it will give you keywords, and you build a title out of those keywords. I highly suggest that you just don't take this title and copy it. I would change the words, into different order, or change some of them out with other keywords. There you go. That is called following the rabbit. Thank you. Have a good night. Bye-bye.